Today we got another Guess What the Heck Is It? But first we're showing it to the 6 YouTubers that watch this channel. Okay, now I'm just showing it to them first. This is the whole item. And now I'm going to show it to the beautiful women of my family. Okay guys, can you guess what this is? Now don't open, you can touch it, turn it around, but don't try to take it apart or anything.
Why?
Not for now. Not for now. Just
it's a case, right?
Yes,
okay, wait, hold on. You go first. Can you tell from just looking at it the way it is?
An emergency case.
Okay, no. How about you?
Can you stand it up because it looks like a sun or a smiley face in the front? Or is that an imagination? No. But something that you twist in there maybe.
You twist?
Or you pull out?
No.
Little holes of some sort?
No. Any idea? Nothing?
No.
Alright, so we're going to give them, the 5 people who watch this channel, 30 seconds to let them guess what it is. Can you guess what this is? It's got a little handle here.
Yeah. That's why I figured it was like a carrying case for something.
But if it was a carrying case, then and you carried it, this would come off. It would actually come off.
Hold on. I gotta wait another 10 seconds.
That's true. It could pop open, right?
Alright. I saw this on my favorite podcast, and you guys missed that part, so. Okay, now you can touch it and open it and do whatever you want.
What the?
Oh, it's like a pop of something. Like that. Oh, it's like collapsible something.
Oh, I know which one it is. Ooh. Yeah, so you do pull it out.
Go ahead, keep pulling.
Oh, wait.
You pull from the top of it. Oh.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, I don't know. It was the close. Like an accordion of some sort?
Why would it?
Hold on, bring it
Oh,
up
sorry.
so I can show the people. Okay, start.
Wait. You kind of twist sideways so it clip or something. Over here. I don't think this clipped all the way. I've been weak. My muscles.
Have you guys figured it out yet?
Oh. So, no. Is it to exercise? Because
How about you?
I already feel
Anything?
I got a workout there.
Let me give you a hint.
A stool?
It's a
Ah,
stool.
very good.
Oh, it
Careful,
is.
careful, because I don't think I opened it all the way properly.
It's a stool for hunting, fishing in the park, and you take it with you.
That's cool.
Is that cool or what? So the 2 holes on the top is just to pull it apart.
Yes.
And I think you turn it to close it.
I
Yeah,
guess
so you
do
pull it like that. And then to
like that.
close
You
it,
twist a little bit.
you turn it holding it and it closes. Very simple. And you just hold it with your handle like this. You take it with you, just like a purse. And again, when you need it open and you need to set up the stool, you just pull. 2 fingers here, 2 fingers here. Pull it out. Let's see how easy it is. Saw that? You kind of turn it to snap it into place. This is the bottom part. And I believe that it holds 200 to 300 pounds. So it's a large weight capacity. What do you think? It's pretty cool, right?
I think it's nice.
Very simple to use. I thought it was a really cool item just to have around for you need, a quick chair, quick seat. You don't want to sit on the grass, on the dirt. Again, you just turn it. You turn this one direction, right? And you kind of just, you open it just like that.
You do something.
And again, you just turn it You kind of got to play with it, and once you get it going, when you turn it the opposite direction, so I'm turning up, my other hand's turning towards me, and then pull it right in, real easy. Again, open, turn this towards me, and the other one away from me. It unlocks, and that's it. Pretty cool. But once you pull it, it locks into place. Too bad I didn't invent this. That would have been pretty cool to invent this. It's all hollow inside. It's all plastic. Really hard. And like I said, it holds 200 to 300 pounds. All info is at the webpage. Again, turn this away. Turn this towards me. Okay, as you said, look, watch. You saw that? It just turns and locks into place. Really cool item. Alright. Oh, let me show you the box. So, I think the box tells you. So, as you can see in the box, it tells you it's for camping and all that. And does it have a capacity? I don't see the capacity. I think it says it on the website. Oh, right here. Oh, 350 pounds. Pretty cool. All right. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item Esup folding camping stool. Portable lightweight retractable folding stool seat fishing barbecue outdoors indoors kitchen max load 130 kg/330 lbs. Cost $20.99 purchased on Amazon's website. About this item. €1 excellent load bearing €1. The environmentally friendly material plastic makes the stool have excellent mechanical strength. The maximum load capacity is as much as 350 pounds. Safe and sturdy, non-slip base ensures the stability of the collapsible stool to provide safe and comfortable sitting. And the stool locks firmly in place once opened because of the tight connecting clasps. €1 latest portable stool €1. The unique locking clasp system allows the folding stool to open and close easily in just seconds, and it locks firmly in place once opened. Even a child can do it quickly and easily. €1 portable lightweight €1 diameter and height in the closed state are 10 and 2.4 of this retractable stool, weight is 2.54 pounds. You can carry it in your hand or hanging on your shoulder with the adjustable 2 straps without any burden. The retractable stool is portable, lightweight, small and convenient to place into luggage. €1 dimensions €1 diameter 9.84 inch, storage height 2.36 inch, unfolding height 18.11 inch. It quickly and easily folds away for convenient storage, and the fold of the collapsible retractable stool is that its height is adjustable, and with some skills, the height could be adjusted continuously. €1 a great gift idea. €1 the retractable portable stools are specially designed keeping your outdoor activities in mind. The beauty, functionality, durability, and portability of retractable stool as well as its multi-scenario capabilities make it a great gift idea for friends, family and loved ones for holidays or any occasions. Product details. Color red. Date first available, June 4, 2020. Manufacturer, Esup. ASIN, B089MYWLB5.